Hey guys, Justin's Craft TV here, and I gotta show you something. Got the hiccups. Outside, there's like a TV. You see it? Right there. There's a TV out there. I don't know what the heck they're doing with that TV. I really don't. That's the neighbors. They live over there. Then we got neighbors that live. Oops. That live like over there, on the other side of this. Dang, got the hiccups. But, excuse me. Ugh. Yeah, sorry. I was having a couple moments there. Jesus. But, yeah, okay. I think we're good now. What the heck is this? I don't know. Oh, I know what this is now. But, yeah. I just want to show you what's going on outside my casa. And do my daily vlog. Because this is actually the second one that I'm doing today. Because I'm bored. I'm really bored. Really bored. I'm just like walking around my room like this. Let me show you what I'm doing. Just walking around my room. Yeah, damn. That's what I'm doing. I bet what I'm doing is better than what you're doing. Because you're watching this video. Think about that? You ever think about that? Oh, you can see me through this little hole. Hold on. Oh, hey! But, yeah. Just wanted to do a second vlog for y'all today. Because y'all are special. It is my vlogging channel, so I'm gonna vlog. Vlogger's gonna vlog. It's just how we It's just how we do. Still have the hiccups, excuse me. My bad. My bad. I do be doing stupid stuff on these vlogging channels. Just be like, dance. Oh, Jesus, excuse me. Got the hiccups. So I better end this video before I just like, have hiccup madness up in here. So, yeah, we're gonna end this video here. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Subscribe. Yeah, subscribe. Oh my god, these hiccups are gonna kill me. Sorry. But yeah, I put the link down to my gaming channel down below, down there. Go check that out. Make sure to subscribe to that channel. You know, check out my videos on that channel. All that good stuff. There will be videos hopefully soon on there. It's gonna take a little while though for me to get like everything set up and then get, you know, might be getting a new PC and it might be desktop, it might be laptop. Don't know, but I want to get a MacBook or something like that. Oops. But yeah, we're gonna have to end the video here, guys. So probably gonna go get a drink and try to get rid of these hiccups. Okay, so this is bye.